Hey, for this Photoshop tutorial, we're going to take some branding, some logos, some identity from a business and see how we can put them on this packaging image we have here. The logos I'm going to use, just something I had to make for a project, for a class I was taking. I'm going to put this logo on there and then also like the alternate logo with that, and then place them to look appropriate on this box. So first thing I need to do is, it doesn't really matter which one, but I'm going to select my first logo here, Control C to copy it, and then on this picture create a new layer and go up here to filter and vanishing point, and the first thing it'll have us do is create a plane. So I will start here in this corner and then select these four corners from this perspective here, and I have one plane done. Then I can reselect the create plane tool and drag this over from that side of that plane, and then I can control click on these corners just to get it as close as I can to where it matches as best that I can get it. Alright, I have those all there. Then what I can do is go Control V to paste. Alright, and once I have it on here, you'll see if this is large enough, it'll wrap around it and it's going to hide it anywhere where we wouldn't see it. Alright, now if I don't want this to be that large, I can use Control T just as I normally would for Photoshop work, and do that however I want that to be, however I want that to look, and kind of play around with that packaging. So I kind of like it this way a little better, looks a little nicer, and the way these boxes are set up, it looks like they would set up this way anyhow. So I have this storm logo right there. Alright, and then I can click OK. Then I will find the other logo that I want to place, copy it, and go back here to this again, and if I select filter and vanishing point again, it remembers that little setup that we created. So then here I can bring this, I could make it smaller and put it up here at the top if I wish, or I could have it larger and be on the bottom portion. It's just kind of however you have your packaging designed and how you would want it to look. Alright, I'll push enter to place that, and so these are both on their own layer because we created a new layer there. Then we can select our blending styles. You can kind of choose whatever you want to use for this. In this case, I kind of like this overlay effect, as it kind of looks like it's more of a stamp on there or something. I can kind of see the texture from the cardboard on there. And there you have it. This is something you could apply for boxes. You could apply it for billboards. You could create a design you're going to have on the side of a building and use that same tool for it. Wide variety of application, especially when trying to test your logo out and make some mock-ups to see what it would look like on various promotional materials. I thank you much for watching and hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and we'll catch you on the next video.